Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Job channel. One more opportunity in front of us, that is from NTRO, and the good news is that Nilet will handle all the process on behalf of NTRO. So yes, Nilet is recruiting for NTRO and this is the good opportunity. The post is technical assistant, and if you complete your BE, BTech or MSc, then you are eligible, and branches are mechanical, electronics communication, electronics telecommunication, electrical, electronics and instrumentation, triple E, instrumentation and control, computer science and IT. So now we will see detailed information regarding the recruitment. So let's start our video. So first important point is that there is no percentage criteria. Only you should have your BE, BTech or MSc in your hand. That's it. Okay. Posting will be anywhere you will get in India after selection. Process, so there will be written test and plus interview will be there. Written test weightage is 150 marks. Okay, and interview weightage is 50 marks. So total 200 marks will be given to your whole process. Exam center list you can see in front of you all over India. So enough exam centers are there. Okay. Okay. Now listen carefully. This is most important. So basically we have two posts in NTRO currently, aviator 2 and technical assistant. Okay, you are eligible for all the posts, that is only all the two posts, right? Where aviator 2 is group A post, that is group A gadget A post, and technical assistant is a group B non-gadgeted post. Okay, that is should be clear. And this is as per your level 10 and this is as per level 7. So by choosing this, or just it's up to you that whether you want to apply for aviator or technical assistant. Okay. Then if we see vacancy wise breakdown, then for aviator technology you can see total 22 vacancies. But here the problem is that all candidate can apply, means all the branches what I have mentioned on thumbnail that can apply to aviator. Okay, where on technical assistant, computer science branch only can apply to this, or EC also apply, there is no problem in that. Okay, because obviously this is conducted by Nilet, so you know style of Nilet. So 81 vacancies are there for computer science post, and for electronics telecommunications 79 vacancies are there. So total 160 posts are vacant for both the post, okay, of technical assistant. So quickly see, let's see what is the eligibility criteria for post aviator. Okay, so you can see bachelor degree on plus your mechanical, then applied electronics, instrumentation, electrical, electronics, then computer, IT, aeronautical, aircraft maintenance engineering. Lots of branches are there. They can apply to this post. Okay, along with that MSc in electronics communication, electronics, applied electronics, mathematics, physics. Okay, applied physics, mathematics and computing. You guys also apply to this post. Age limit is 35 year for aviation post. So this is the good opportunity for those who are in the age bracket of 29, 30 or 31. Okay, so you can apply to this post also. Then physical standards are there that we need to take care. That height should be minimum 155 centimeter, 150 centimeter female. Okay, weight proportional with height. Then eyesight 6 by 6, 6 by 9 without glasses. Okay, no disorder of cognitive function, no orthopedic disability of lower limb, wrist and hand, no spinal disability and no color vision deficiency. Okay, this is important. Now for technical assistant we will see for computer science. So for computer science, as I told you, both electronics communication, electrical, electronics communication and computer science IT student can apply to this post. Okay, but the condition is that only to one post you can apply. Okay, so if you are from electronics and you want to apply for computer science, then you are eligible, but you can't apply for your electronics post. Simple, right? Same applies to computer science. If you are from computer science, if you want to apply to electronics post, you are eligible for that. Okay, you can apply to that post, no problem in that. Age limit is 30 year for technical assistant. Okay, and physical standard you can see in front of you, no color division deficiency and medical standard candidate as per central government, whatever guidelines are there for group B post. Okay, that will be applicable. Okay, next is your scheme of exam and your whole process. So as you know, written test is there. For written test we have 100 questions, and for 100 questions you will get 80 questions from technical and 20 questions from aptitude plus reasoning. Okay, maximum marks are 200, means 2 marks are there. There is positive marking and negative marking is there. That negative marking is 0.5 marks. Okay, and already they mention everything. It is surprising that Nilet mentioned already the things in advance, that is morning shift will be there, evening shift will be there. Okay, approximate tentative date is also mentioned of your exam, that is 5th of March, so that is good, no problem in that. And interview you have 50 marks. Okay, for both aviator and this. Now if you want to apply for aviator, which is group A gadgeted post, then you need to study aviation technology concepts. Okay, whole syllabus will be available on their website on 31st December. So just wait for that time, because this is the big change in NTRO recruitment. Till now they are conducting their own exam, but now Nilet will take care of your examination. So this time we can expect something big change in Nilet recruitment. Okay, but definitely, as you know, we consistently giving Nilet recruitment guidance plus selections, so it is not big deal for me to guide you guys for this. Okay, so just main thing is that wait till 31st December. Okay, for whole syllabus. And basic syllabus already we know, computer science branch and electronics. You guys, those who are connected to me through Nilet recruitment, you already know the syllabus. The same syllabus will be there. Okay, 99%. So age limit cutoff date is 30 year for technical assistant and 35 years for aviator, and relaxation is given to OBC, SST and PWD candidate. Okay, and cutoff date is 21st of January. Important date. So form will start on 31st of December. So definitely on 31st December I will make the form filling video. Just watch that video properly and then you can fill the form. And it will end on 21st of January. Your exam is scheduled in 5th of March tentatively. Okay. Definitely it can change. It's up to NILET. Okay. So I guess they can change also. And fees will be 500 rupees for general OBC and AWS, and for SC/ST women candidate there is no fee for you. Also for PWD and ex-servicemen there is no fee for you guys. Okay. So yes, now one more target we will set, and this is our NTRO, which is through NILET. This is the good opportunity. Form filling video will be next, and after that we will discuss strategy. And yes, this is the part of your master success pack. Okay. So soon I will share the details regarding that also. If you have any query, any doubt in this notification, in this recruitment, then you can comment down below. And if you want to ask me anything personally, then you can DM me on Instagram. All the best.